Crochet a sunflower coaster bouquet, symbolizing victory at one stroke, a Chinese idiom for success. Main body reference, bouquet blanket base, not re-recorded here. After completing, chain 1, CH1, and cut yarn. Weave in ends with a tapestry needle. Leaf. Round 1. Follow round 1 of the bouquet blanket pattern. Round 2. CH1, then work 1 single crochet, SC, in the chain space. CH7. Skip 3 chains, and slip stitch, SL street, into the back loop of the 4th chain from hook. CH3. Then work 1 SC in the same space completes 1 petal group. Repeat around the circle. Join with the SL street to the first SCCC1, cut yarn, and weave in ends. Flower. Round 1. Magic ring. CH1. Work 6 SC into the ring. Tip for beginners. Mark first last stitches. Tighten the ring and join with SL street to first SC. Round 2. CH1. Work 2 SC in each stitch around 12 SC. Before the last stitch, change yarn color. Pull up a loop with new yarn, drop old yarn, and secure. Join with SL street to first SC. Round 3. CH3. In same stitch. Work 1 double crochet. DC. Then make a 1 CH picot, CH1, SL street, into the top 2 loops of DC. In next stitch, work 1 DC CH3, SL street into same stitch. Repeat 6 times around. Alternate petal for variation. SL street into next stitch. CH3, 1 DC, 1 picot. Next stitch, 1 DC, CH3, SL street. Finish. Cut yarn, leaving a tail. Use a tapestry needle to thread through the first SL street, weave in ends. Make 6 to 10 flowers and glue onto the leaf base.